MLG official headed by Vice Mayor Manny here on stage. Maraming salamat for that. And now that we have recognized our board of judges, the panel that will be choosing the next king and queen to be crowned here, I'm sure you guys are all excited to know who's gonna clinch the crown tonight. So, Infanta, are you ready? Well, what can I say? We have already set the criteria for judging. We have met the panel of judges. We have begun this competition with so much energy and with so much support and love from the people of Infanta. So, let's keep this competition going. Tonight, we are going to be choosing the right people to lead the youth of the Infanta. And tonight, we will be seeing them strut the runway. Make sure that they are carrying with them their advocacies and proving themselves worthy not just to the judges, but to every Infantahin. And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, get ready to witness our candidates as they perform their production number in their creative and Suman-inspired outfits. Kasama ng ating SPA dancer, make some noise for Ginoo at Binibining Infanta 2026 candidates in their production number.
Baybayin kung saan araw sumisikat, ganda ng mabuhay at magandang gabi. Ako po si Kent Lambert Garcia, Barangay Abiawin!
Aldrin Babiera Apeno, Ginoong Bako! Ginoong Bantilan! Moses Moises, Ginoong Batikan! Good evening, everyone. Once again, this is Kente Ramirez, your Ginoong Manugaw.
Jaren Kai Murilla Bardo, Ginoong Pinulasan!
John Carl Miras, Ginoong Bubuin.
John Andre Buerano, your Ginoong Kumoy!
Iverson Ritual Ortiz, Ginoong Ilog.
And Gerald Apeliano, your Ginoong Ingat! Seth Tyron Guban, Ginoong Langgas! Willie Bautista Jr., Ginoong Magsaysay.
Carlos Dinasol, Barangay Maipulot. Steven Desegay Murillo, Ginoong Pinubay.
Kurt Enzo Peña Verde, Poblacion 39.
Kento Mentado, Ginoong Pulo.
You know I'm feeling and I'm about with pride that the first to light. Feel the power tonight. In sun that shines so bright. Subaybayin kung saan araw ay sumisikat. Ganda ng kalikasan, walang makakatapat. From the mountains to the sea, proud kami, we are free. Infante's beauty for the world to see.
Meet si Rubio Camilon, your binibining Abiawin! Joy Caballero Larbe, your binibining Agos-Agos! Alexandria Paul Zacarias Apelo, your binibining Antigin! Riani Padilla Escribano, binibining Bako! Brinette Grace Garces Teza, binibining Bantilan! John Emilio Mercado, binibining Banugaw! Sandy Friend Dingy Protect!